Okay, so as we come in our room, I'm going to show you what number we were. 4638 is a deck 4. We have this. It was quite narrow actually, because JP just did go into this. Put your door key in here so you get your lights. And then the first thing that we see, watch your step, is the bathroom. Oh, this is nice. We've been on a cruise ship and this shower area, it's empty. Shower area has been tiny. Also the door here opens inwards. So that's really good. And we have the White Company. Oh, looks like someone's been using some of the White Company products. They don't top it up. So we've got the White Company products. So we've got, what do we have? Jasmine Rose and Neroli shampoo and the bath and shower gel. Ooh, lush. Toilet, some shelves here, which is perfect for the hair products and all the beauty products. And then over here we have hand wash, tissue, toilet, disposable bags, just shelving under here, no drawers, a bin, 2 cups, sink, towels. So we have 2 bath sheets. Nice and compact, but perfect. Air conditioning unit. Come round here, we have got cupboards. So the muster was, you come on, you go and see a staff member, host, and safe. They will check all your details, check your boarding pass, and then they will advise you to go to your room and watch the muster video. So a beautiful seat here, window view. We're on deck 4. Now someone said that the USB cables for charging are under here, and indeed they are. So up and down, more shelving, and then you've got over here again USB, and you have 1 plug for charging or any of your, so that's 1 plug found so far. Okay, and over here we have a telephone, TV, 2 more plugs, a kettle. Oh, are they complimentary? Maybe. That doesn't look like it is. That does. Ooh, we have a little box. We have Let's Make History together. We waited for this day for so long. Oh, look at this. Oh, please take this seeded paper home with you and plant it. Oh, I love that. No. Oh my gosh. How amazing is that? Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Thanks to JP. It's lovely, isn't it, babe?
That's quite special.
Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it's a good size room. They're definitely trying to promote this. Some water. But yeah, this is the room. Perfect. Oh, I've got a fridge. Hairdryer, cupboard, fridge. Did you put those biscuits in there? Oh, came with some biscuits and some Fiji tips and some coffee. Sofa. Dumped our bags on there, excuse that.